Now, let me explain the process of setting and enabling M1 collision detection parameters. First, M1 has been started. Then, we found the M1 Studio icon on the computer. Double-click to open it. Click the drop-down button and select the network port. Click Connect. Of course, you can use the serial port to connect. Here, I choose the network port connection. Click it, and then click Connect. Then click Save Setting under the Tools drop-down menu. It will appear with a parameter setting interface. Click Law, which is unconstrained by the collision. Because we have to let it do a collision self-test first, be sure to select this. Then change the value of payload to 0, because we have added the load. There are two ways to collide here. Select one of them, then click Save to save the parameter settings. Click Exit. Now we will click on Tools again. Choose Dynamic Setting. Click Start to start. M1 is now on the process of self-testing. We can wait for patience. Okay, here has been shown 100%. It described that the self-test for M1 has been completed. Click here to save the parameters, and click here to quit. Click the Save Setting under Tools drop-down menu again. Click Low, which is unconstrained for M1. Middle means that it will make a moderate constraint on M1. High is the highest constraint. If you click Middle to run, it will reduce the original speed by 30%. If High is selected, the speed will be reduced by 50%. Now we select the highest constraint, High on M1. Here, payload is 0. Click here again to select one of the two collision modes. If file restart is selected, it will run automatically after M1 is stopped 5 seconds. The other collision mode is that after the collision stops, you need to hit M1 again to make it run continuously. Here, we choose the second one. Save this parameter and leave. Now, let's verify this collision test. First of all, we need to save 2 points under teaching online mode. Run 8. Okay, this is operating collision detection. Thank you.